Hello everyone, welcome back to Shubham Pulse. We have come up with a live video of bangles today. This is the first design with Kempu stone. We have this available in 24, 26, 28. This is a new design with Kempu stone. If you want to order, you can take a screenshot of this. Then coming to the second design, this is the second design. Then this is our next design. This is again a Kempu stone. Then we'll be going to the next bangle. For order, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. They'll update you with the price and all details. Shipping is free in India. This price is 999 rupees. Then coming to the other design, this is one more design. The price is 1300 rupees for 4 pieces of bangle. And this is one more design. Yeah, that pair was 999, madam. This is one more design in Eddie stone bangle. This is single bracelet. Price is 660 rupees. We have it in 3 colors. This is blue color. This is green color. This is red color. Then this is one more bangle. The price is 600 rupees pair. Then this is one more bangle. Sizes we have from 24, 26, 28. Madam, 3 sizes we have in each of them. We don't have 22 and 210. Most of them we have 24, 26, 28. Only 3 we have. This is one more openable bangle pair. This is around 1200 rupees. Then this is one more design. This is only 600 rupees pair. Then this is one more design. We have if anyone is interested to buy, they can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Then this is one more pair of openable bracelet or openable bangle pair. Yeah, we have Kempu stone bangles also. We have already posted 3 designs of Kempu stone. You can check in the starting. We have uploaded 3 designs. Then there is one more design. You can check these designs. I will be taking out few more designs for you. Stay tuned. These are all new arrivals that we are showing you. Any order you have, you can definitely reach us on our WhatsApp number anytime. I'm taking few more designs for you. Sorry for the disturbance. Be on hold for a minute. I'll be showcasing more designs. Yeah, we are back. Sorry for the trouble. There is one more design. We have it in 24, 26, 28 we have. The price is 1210 for this. 4 bangles. We are back live, sir. You can see the video, sir. You can check that. This is one more design. We have 4 pieces. We have. The price is around 800 or 840 rupees. 4 pieces bangle, AD stone it is. You can take a screenshot if you want to order. You can reach us on our WhatsApp number. We'll be shipping it. This is one more design. Then there is one more very famous design also of us, that is Ram Parivar bangle. Price is just 699 rupees. Free shipping in India. Then coming to the other design. This is one more diamond look bangle. Then there is one more bangle. We have it available in green and red both colors with CZ stone. This single one pair is 600 rupees. If you are taking 4 bangles, it is 999. Same pair of bangles, 4 pieces is 999. One pair is 600 rupees. Then coming to the next design. Wait a bit, everyone. Can check this design. We are back. Thank you everyone watching our live video. If you have any orders, you can directly reach us on our WhatsApp number. It is around 900 rupees for 4 pieces, madam. Shipping is free in India and we ship across the world. International shipping is also available. Thank you. Any more videos you want, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. We will try to show you all the designs that we have. Okay, this is one more new design I have just pound. And check this also. This is also very pretty design. Check this. Just arrived. Yet to get ready. The price is 990 rupees for a pair. Any orders you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030 271018. The number is 9030 271018. Thank you everyone for staying with us. For cost, price and everything, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you.